Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Syndicate token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Syndicate is an Ethereum scaling infrastructure enabling developers to build composable applications, customizable customizable app chains, layer 3s with programmable transactions, sequencing and governance. Syndicate possesses Syndicate positions Syndicate positions SYND as both infrastructure fuel and a governance level for a decentralized app chain ecosystem. Its success hinges on balancing developer adoption with token holders incentives. Cloud programmable sequences become the standard for Ethereum's modular future. Syndicate token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 478.7 million SYND token. SYND token is listed on Bybit, Coinbase, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.